Information now regarding a lawsuit filed last week by a Dallas woman seeking an emergency abortion. Kate Cox's lawsuit may soon be dismissed after she chose to leave the state. Andrea Lucia reports, though, the larger court battle isn't over.
Now, the Texas Supreme Court late yesterday issued an opinion in the case of Kate Cox, saying no woman needs to get a court's approval before getting an abortion. The circumstances, they said, just need to meet the standard set by law. But some doctors have argued it's not clear what qualifies. The Supreme Court's opinion did try to shed some light on this, saying it's up to a doctor. Quote, only a doctor can exercise a reasonable medical judgment to decide whether a pregnant woman has a life-threatening physical condition, making an abortion necessary. But it also wrote that the law requires more than a doctor's mere subjective belief. We turned to legal expert David Cole to explain what they're talking about there.
When experts testify in Texas courts, they can't just say, I think so. They have to back it up with facts. They have to back it up with professionally recognized techniques. And when the Supreme Court's talking about, we're not just going to take your subjective opinion, that's an echo of the broader theme in Texas law about experts can't just say it's so. They have to show their work.
Cox's attorneys say she's now left the state to get an abortion, bringing her case to an end. But the same group, led by the Center for Reproductive Rights, is pursuing a separate case on behalf of 20 women who say they were denied an abortion in Texas. Now, that case doesn't have the urgency of someone currently seeking an abortion, but the state Supreme Court heard arguments just a couple weeks ago, and it could issue in the coming months a longer, more in-depth opinion on the state's abortion laws and the exceptions to them. The Supreme Court opinion did say the Texas Medical Board could provide guidance on when an abortion can legally be performed. I reached out to the board, and I'm waiting for their thoughts on that. Andrea Lucia, CBS News, Texas.